Welcome to 2-minute classes. We will discuss one more example of Python. The example says that Jaya wants to withdraw some amount X from an ATM. The cash machine will only accept the transaction if the amount to be withdrawn is a multiple of 5. That is, if the amount is like 100,000, 10,000, 5,000, 555. In that case only the amount can be withdrawn. Also, the Jaya's account balance should have enough cash to perform the withdrawal transaction. If the amount to be withdrawn is 1000 and if Jaya's account is having only 500 rupees, then the amount cannot be withdrawn. Also, there is a bank charge after each successful transaction, which is rupees 0.5. So what we have to do, we have to input the amount of cash which Jaya wishes to withdraw, and we need to also have the input of initial account balance, and in the output we have to say whether the transaction was successful or not and then print the account balance. Let us have an example. Suppose amount to withdraw is 1000 and Jaya's account balance is 2000. So 1000 is a multiple of 5 as well as 1000 is less than Jaya's account balance. So the output after withdrawal should be 999.5. The second example could be, if you suppose want to withdraw rupees 222 and the account balance is 2000. So the amount in the Jaya's account is enough to withdraw 222, but 222 is not the multiple of 5. So you cannot withdraw. So your output should be cannot withdraw. Withdrawal amount should be multiple of 5. There could be one more example where you want to withdraw the amount in multiple of 5, but account balance is less than the amount to be withdrawn. So in that case, again you have to print cannot withdraw, account balance is low. So now let us proceed to the program. Okay, so I have already taken the input of amount and balance. Now I will write the if conditions. So the first if condition will be if amount is multiple of 5, that means if amount mod 5 is 0 and amount is less than or equal to balance minus point. Okay, why I am doing the subtraction of 0.5? Because suppose I want to withdraw 1000 rupees and the balance is also 1000, but in that case the bank charges could not be deducted. So I am taking into account that amount should be either less than or equal to balance minus 0.5. Okay, so balance should always be greater than the amount. Now in this case your balance should be equal to balance minus amount minus 0.5. Okay, 0.5 are the bank charges. Now suppose there is a second case, else if amount is multiple of 5 but balance amount is greater than balance. So in this case, what you have to do, you have to print account balance is low. Okay, again there will be a third condition. Suppose amount itself is not equal to 0. Okay, so if amount is not the multiple of 5, then again you have to print that you cannot withdraw amount need to be multiple of 5. Okay, so over here we have taken into account that amount is multiple of 5 and balance is also greater than the amount. The second condition is if amount is multiple of 5 and amount is greater than balance, in that case it should show me that balance is low. If amount is not the multiple of 5, then again it should show me that amount need to be multiple of 5. Okay. There could be one more condition when amount and balance both are equal. Okay. So there could be one more condition if amount is multiple of 5 and amount is equal to balance. So in this case also you cannot withdraw the amount because you have to deduct the bank charges, which cannot be deducted if your amount is equal to the balance. So over here you will write a different statement saying that the bank charges need to be deducted. Okay. Now let us try to execute this example. Okay, so it is asking me enter the amount you wish to withdraw. So first I will enter the correct amount, which is a multiple of 5. Also I will enter a correct balance which is greater than the withdrawal amount. So it will, okay, so at the end we have to print what is the final balance. Okay, so I forgot to print that. So over here I will print final balances. Okay, let us execute it again. Amount to withdraw is 1000 and balance in the account is 2000. So final balance is 999.5. So I have withdrawn 1000 rupees and 0.5 were deducted as bank charges. Again I will execute this example. I will take a number which is not a multiple of 5 and I will take the amount greater than the amount. So it will print cannot withdraw the amount. Final balance is still the same, which is 2000, because the transaction has failed. Now let us again have an example. Suppose I have an amount of 1000 and I want to deduct, I have the balance also as 1000. So it will say cannot withdraw, the bank charges cannot be deducted. Okay. And suppose I want to withdraw 1500 rupees, which is a multiple of 5, but I have a balance which is lower than the amount which I want to withdraw. In that case, it will say cannot withdraw, the account balance is low. Okay, so this is a very simple example in which we have applied if and else if conditions to come out to the solution. You can have a look at the whole program.